guys, thanks so much for clicking this video and welcome to my channel. My name is Deandra and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute statement hat worn by Rihanna and Dua Lipa. It's an Emma Brewin hat. You may have seen her wear them a few times, furry bucket hat or furry oversized sun hat. Today we're going to be doing the sun hat one. So what you're going to need is 1 yard of faux fur. You're going to need polyester, so that will be for your lining. 1 yard will be good as well. And then we're going to need millinery wire, if I'm saying that correctly. So millinery wire is what's going to let your hat bend and all kinds of shapes. Whatever you want to do with it, you want to put it up like a cowgirl, you want to make it floppy, that's what it's for. And then we're also going to need floral tape. And I'm going to show you what the floral tape is used for later on into the video. And we're also going to need some wire cutters. So let's get into the video.
I can remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just making me think about someone new.
Here we have our pattern and we're going to cut 2 of each brim. So you should have 4 brims in total. We're going to cut 2 for the base of the hat. 1 is going to be on the outer of the hat and 1 is going to be the inner of the hat. Now we're going to cut 2 pieces for our stand. This is going to go in between the base and the brim. You should have 1 for the outer part and 1 for the lining. We're going to be taking each piece of our brim and putting them facing right sides together, so your fabric should be facing on the outer sides for now. Now we're going to be sewing our seams together for the brim. As you can see, I used a little extra reinforcement. This stripped fabric shifts a lot, so keep that in mind. When you sew the seams together, you should have something that looks like this. Put them facing right sides together and pin along the outer sides of the brim. We're going to sew around. We're going to sew together the seam for the stand. We're going to repeat the same thing for the lining. Now we're going to take our base and connect it to the stand that we just sewn, and we're going to sew all the way around and repeat the same steps for the lining. Now that you've sewn the stand and the base together, you should have something that looks like this.
me, wiggle me. You wrong when I think it, I went out to it. Think it, I went out to it. Don't keep loving you. All that I know is
So we're going to connect our hat to the top part of our brim, and we're going to pin around and sew right around. So I thought I was recording, but this is what your hat should look like once you connected the top part to the brim. So we're going to need millinery wire, floral tape, and wire cutter. Take the millinery wire and measure it around the brim of your hat.
Are you falling? You've always been the one to say the first.
Cut the wire to where you need it and wrap the floral tape around it. If you don't have floral tape, you can use a tube or you can bend it. We're just going to do a simple over and under stitch to keep the wire in place.
I would've stayed at home, 'cause I was better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home, 'cause now there ain't no letting you go. But I'm falling in love with the one that could break my heart. Now I'm falling, now I'm falling, now I'm falling, now I'm falling, now I'm falling.
Now that the wire has been connected to the brim, we're going to turn the hat right side out and pull it through the hole. Now that it's right side, we're going to place our lining inside of the hat. We're going to pin our lining inside the hat and we're going to sew right around the seam. You can also fold it in once you're done and dart the sides with the same over and under stitch. But once the seams have been sewn, we're done. The hat is complete.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I also give daily polls of what other designs you guys would like to see. And let me know in the comments as well what else you guys want to see.